In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can possibly fix the issue if your Shark robot vacuum is disconnecting from the app, and maybe this is going to help. So I hope it does. So the one thing that you can try to do is just want to press and hold the clean button for about like 5 to 10 seconds. So you're gonna have it out of the dock, press the clean button 5 to 7 seconds. Another thing that you can try to do is maybe just try to hold the dock button for 5 to 7 seconds and try it out then, because this is something that they recommended. Or then you can try to even another thing that you want to hold the clean and dock button for 10 to 15 seconds. And if this also not going to work out, just try to like turn it off or wait like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then power it on back, and maybe some of this is going to help you. So possibly the pressing and holding the clean button from 5 to 10 seconds is possibly going to solve the issue that you have. I hope it does. So let me know in the comments what helped you, so we can help each other out. And thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye.